Hi, I'm Robyn. Welcome to my home. Come on in.
Hi, welcome back to Insider Style with Wynstan. I'm Holly, and today we are in this gorgeous Hamptons-inspired Sydney home, and we're joined by Home Owner Robyn. When you were going through the process of selecting the finishes and the palettes, where did you look to for inspiration?
So to find ideas for the style of the house, we were lucky that the builder we worked with had a studio where I could go and have a look at some of the options and play around with colours and things like that. And then just the obvious ones like Instagram or Pinterest. I think having a mood board on Pinterest and then eventually getting, room by room, having different mood boards for each room that keeps to your vision of your whole house really helped sort of clarify that vision.
And when it came to choosing your finishes and your colour palette, how did you bring that style you're after to life in each of your spaces?
Well, I really just, with the hard finishes like the walls and the floor, I wanted to keep everything as fresh and clean and white as possible. With the soft furnishings, going for more neutral tones so that over the years, if things changed, I could bring in more colour or less colour, just keep it simple and soft and clean.
Beautiful. And you said it's a bit of a more relaxed take on the Hamptons style. What is it about that kind of vibe that resonates with you and suits your family?
For the family, I think the important thing about the space is that it was open, that we had enough space for us to spread out. I've got 3 children, so just planning for them as they grow older as well, just making sure it worked for our family needs. Even things like having an island where the 3 kids could sit and have breakfast and we could all be together, and while I'm cooking, they're nearby. That was really important to me as well.
After this whole process, what would your advice be for people renovating or building at home when it comes to window coverings?
I think I've got 2 pieces of advice. One would be to make sure you budget for your window coverings. I know I sometimes see a house that's finished and there's cardboard on their front windows and it's like, no. So I think make sure you've got the budget to achieve the look that you want and plan for it, because it really does make such a difference to the house. I think I heard someone say, if the windows of the house are the eyes, the window coverings are like the eyelashes and the mascara. So you've got to have the right look there. And the second thing I would say is think about not just what's in the room, but also what's beyond the room where you're putting the window coverings. Is it something that you want to enhance the view of, that you want to see, and you might want to use a sheer so you can still see the water in the background, for example? Or is it something that you might want to cover up, but you still need to let light in? And that's where a shutter is a game changer, because you can have the light coming in, but you don't have the full exposure of what's on the other side of the window. So I nearly put a roller blind in one of my bedrooms, and I realized to let the light in, I'd have to have the blind up and be looking straight at my neighbour's house, because it's quite close by. I chose texture in the roller blinds and the shears, and I think it just gives a little bit more of a dimension to the space as well. Just knowing the space and what you want to do with it and how you want to enhance it will help you choose the right window covering or window finishings for you.